Family Audit Distance Learning. Section 2. Diffusion of the Family Audit Standard in Italy. Diffusion of the Family Audit Standard in Italy. Dimensions and impact of the phenomenon. The graph shows the involvement of organizations in the certification process over time in Italy. At 185 organizations, Trentino Alto Adige has the largest number, followed by Veneto with 49, and by the regions with 11 to 25 organizations, Lombardy, Liguria and Puglia, and 6 to 10 organizations, Lazio. Almost all of the remaining regions had involvement by 1 to 5 organizations. Organizations involved. Over the years, the numbers of organizations involved in the certification process has increased. As of December 2020, there were 316 organizations involved. The progressive increase in this datum was initially due to the contribution of 2 national calls for applications for lowering the costs of certification, the first and second national experiments, dating to the years 2012 and 2015. Subsequently, the progressive increase was due to the call for applications of the autonomous province of Trento and the bridge plan of the Veneto region in 2018, and to the call for applications of the Puglia region in 2020. Employees involved. The number of employees grew almost linearly to 20,000 during the first 4 years of the project, 2008-2011. In 2012, with the launch of first national experiment, the datum increased to 40,000, a value that remained almost unchanged until 2015, when the launch of the second national experiment permitted another almost 60,000 employees to benefit from the pathway. In the following 2 years, a slight increase was registered, while 2018 showed a new jump to more than 130,000 employees involved, thanks to the call for applications of the autonomous province of Trento and the Veneto region bridge plan. Over 2019-2020, the totals of involved employees rose again, reaching more than 157,000 units. And the number of women involved almost arrived at par with the men involved, 77,800 versus about 79,300. Legal nature and size class of the organizations involved. Almost half of the organizations show large size. 155 out of 316 count more than 100 employees. Public organizations are predominantly large, 54%, or medium-sized, 40%, while in the private sector there is an obviously notable share of small organizations, 21%. Employees involved by gender. The distribution of employees involved by gender shows a prevalence for male employees over female employees, 55% versus 45%, while in public organizations it is the women who prevail, 55% versus 45%.